Hi, I'm Susan New, and I'm a board-certified pediatrician at Olmsted Medical Center. As pediatricians, we see children of all ages. I want patients and families to know that there's no such thing as a silly question. We know as pediatricians that parenthood is not easy, and whether you are an experienced parent or a new parent, you're always going to have questions about your child. So we want to be that trusted resource for you to come to with your questions and concerns. We see newborns all the way through adolescence. At OMC, we also see patients in different settings, predominantly in the clinic, but we also will be called to deliveries if necessary. We'll round on newborns in the nursery and then also see patients in the hospital. At our well-child visits, we will assess their child's development, their growth, make sure that they're meeting their milestones, and then talk about other aspects of their health as well. Make sure that they're getting adequate sleep, talk about their nutrition, immunizations, and then care for their chronic conditions. Some of the chronic conditions that we manage frequently include asthma, ADHD, anxiety, depression, to name a few. And we'll also see patients for acute visits. So if your child is sick, definitely you can call and schedule an appointment with one of the pediatricians. I've always really enjoyed working with children, and I knew from a young age that I wanted to do something where I could work with children of all ages. I decided to pursue medicine because it was something that was challenging and rewarding at the same time. My favorite thing about being a pediatrician is definitely seeing the patients and seeing the families and getting that continuity of care with them. Building a connection with my patients and families is so important to me as a pediatrician because we want to be that trusted resource for you to come to with any of your health concerns for your child. And we know that as parents, you always want what's best for your child, and that's what we want as well. Outside of work, I do like to stay active, hiking when the weather permits, swimming, going to the gym. My partner and I are part of the badminton club in town, and it's a sport I played when I was in high school, so it's been great to finally be able to play regularly again. We also enjoy trying new foods and going to different restaurants and seeing what Rochester has to offer. Coming to work, I'm surrounded by a really supportive environment. I started this past August, and everyone that I've met has been really welcoming and helpful. My favorite part about coming to work, though, is definitely seeing the kids, and especially seeing families and children that I've been seeing regularly. I've heard from so many families that they've received wonderful care at OMC, and they're really appreciative.